Hello, today I'm showing you guys what I eat in a day. My mom actually recently learned how to make wonton soup, so I decided to help her, and here's the video footage from that.
Want to make dumpling?
What do I do?
Okay, you wet it. Get your hands in there, wet it, wet all of it. And you grab a scoop of this, slop it on. Gonna hold it. Like, you know what? Here.
I made one.
Oh, good for you. You look so cute.
I never actually really eat like homemade Asian style food, so this was a first for me, and my mom just watched a video and she taught me how to make these little wonton things, so it was super cool and fun to make. And if I'm doing it wrong or like any of this is wrong, I'm sorry, but we just learned from a video. But yeah, this is how they looked. I'm kind of proud of it, not gonna lie.
Done. Okay, let's do the dumplings.
So for breakfast, I just made myself some cereal. This is my favorite cereal ever. It's like an almond crunch thing, but I just made that while I was waiting for the soup to be finished for lunch. So here they are cooking, and they're so yummy. I love these. And then after they were done, we just started like taking them out. And then we just started making the noodles. These are kind of like already pre-cooked ones. All you really do is just put hot water in them and let them sit for a minute, and then they're fully done. They were super good. And then here are the little wonton dumpling things finished. And yeah, then I started scooping it up, and this is what I ate for lunch. Here's like the ingredients and stuff. If you guys want, the whole recipe video will be linked down below, but this is what it looked like. It was so good, and I just love this shot. Look how pretty it is. And yeah. Do you like our spoons? We got new spoons.
It works better than the chicken?
I don't know, I just ate a noodle.
Oh. Do I go out?
I like the, what are these again?
I like instant noodles, huh?
I'm gonna go do some work now because I'm super full. We're gonna go do some video editing, but I will see you guys when it's time to go get some coffee. Zoe, are you ready to go to Tim's? Yeah? Yay! Ah, I'm stuck in the door. Come on. Ow! My seat is burning my butt. I love summer, but I don't miss burning my butt on every seat, especially if you have leather seats. I hate people with leather seat cars in the summer. No. Stay in your seat. Stay in your seat. Stay in your seat. I'm here with my dog Zoe. Zoe, say hi. So yeah, every day at 12:30 we go to Tim Hortons. Not all the time at 12:30, but for the most part, because the girl needs her caffeine. We're gonna drive, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Say bye, Zoe. So as most of you already know, I always come and get Tim Hortons. I always get their iced coffees. And honestly, when I worked at McDonald's for 2 years, and I tried so hard to like their iced coffee just because like I already got a discount at McDonald's. It would be like 50 cents for an iced coffee in the summer if I worked there, and then like dollar drink days iced coffees were included, but I just can't get myself to like iced coffees. And I used to always get Tim's iced coffees with extra cream. I don't know what was wrong with me, but I cannot do that anymore. It's so gross to me. I hate when there's too much cream, but I always just get a regular Tim Hortons iced coffee. It's my favorite thing in the world. And then sometimes I go and get ice caps in the night, but I try not to because I think I'm like overly addicted to caffeine at this point. Not even just for like the caffeine benefits, but just for like the sugar and everything. It's so bad, but I don't know how to break it. But yeah, I basically just come here every single day of my life and give them all of my money. I used to do Starbucks a lot, but honestly, Starbucks are just so much money, and for what? No, stay in your seat. Stay. Thank you.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, can I please have a medium iced coffee, please?
Medium iced coffee?
That's everything.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my god, there's a bee at my window. And we're back. So basically I just sip on an iced coffee until like 5 p.m. and I make this last as long as I can, to the point it's just like watered down and tastes bad, but that's just my daily iced coffee routine. I will now be drinking my iced coffee through 2 Zoom calls today. I have one at 1:30 and another one at 3, so I'm just gonna be on my computer all day, but I'll probably see you guys when I go get a snack or for dinner later. C'est maintenant 3 heures et j'ai faim. Je ne sais pas si ça c'est correct, je n'ai pas parlé le français dans almost like 3 années ou 4 années. C'était un très longtemps, mais j'ai besoin de learn my français again. It's so bad. I'm hungry. It's 3 p.m. We're gonna go eat some food. That's basically just what I said. Petit chien, avec moi. Follow me. Come on, Jojo. Okay, fine. Stay up there. So we're gonna go eat something now. Probably some fruit because I eat dinner at like 5 p.m. Fun fact, I snack on grapes literally all day long. That's why they're always just in this, because I'm constantly like washing them, but I eat grapes all day, every day. But my favorite fruit is strawberries. I then just started watching Bob's Burgers while I was just eating some grapes. Grapes are my favorite snacks ever, and then I just recently finished Demon Slayer, so now I'm watching Bob's Burgers. So it's dinner now. We're eating lasagna. This is my square because I don't like cheese. Yay, bread. And some bread.
That's it.
This lasagna looked better off camera, trust me, and it tasted so good. But anyways, I just had like 2 servings of lasagna and like 3 pieces of bread. I really like gluten and bread. I'm sorry. I'm very full because I had like 3 pieces of bread and then I was still hungry, so I got a bit more lasagna, and like now I'm very full. But literally I always eat snacks after like 8 p.m. Like I eat around 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. I always go to bed eating food, and then my dreams are crazy. But anyways, we're gonna see what we eat tonight. Actually, I'm gonna go get an ice cap. I know literally in the video I just said I don't get coffee twice a day, but I think I need an ice cap. It's now 9:30 p.m. and I am having my nightly snacks. Tonight we're eating more soup. These are my noodles. Yum! So I have pink lemonade with it because pink lemonade is very yummy. And then I'm watching Scandal again. It's normal to record yourself while eating. Hear me out. Any other night I would literally be eating like ramen or any type of bread, but specifically for this day I just decided to eat more noodles because, not gonna lie, it was really good, but normally I eat ramen or bread. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys all next week. Bye!